Welcome to my channel, MS Old Coins Journey, where hidden treasures reveal themselves in the most unexpected places. Sometimes the things that appear ordinary hold the power to completely transform our destiny. Today, we step into a world of mystery, history, and unimaginable wealth. A world where a single discovery could rewrite your financial future forever. First up, let us dive straight into the magnificent story of the 2002 European 20 € coin bearing the legendary R mintmark. This is not just a small piece of metal. It is a fortune sealed in golden shine, a key that could open doors to wealth beyond imagination. Only one coin type is under the spotlight here. The single, powerful, and extraordinary 2002 R mintmark 20 €. The coin was introduced in the year 2002, a historic year when the euro currency itself was launched across much of Europe. This was the birth of a new financial era, uniting countries under one common currency. Italy, bearing the R mintmark from the Rome Mint, proudly struck this 20 €, symbolizing not only money but a new age of European unity. The 20 € was designed with a distinct Spanish flower shape, a seven-sided outline that made it unique from all other coins. The Italian version with the R mintmark stands out even more because it carries the spirit of Roman history, art, and the great power of Italy's cultural heritage. Why is this coin so valuable? The answer lies in its rarity, its beauty, and the passion collectors hold for it. Many were struck, but very few have survived in pristine condition. Some rare errors and special strikes make the 2002 R mintmark coin worth a fortune in the numismatic world. Collectors across the globe know that the first year of issue always carries more weight, more history, and more demand. The 2002 R 20 € is exactly that, the first of its kind, the beginning of the euro era for Italy. This makes it a crown jewel for anyone building a rare coin collection. Imagine holding this coin in your hand. It may seem like a small piece, but its value is not small at all. In auctions, rare examples of this coin in perfect condition can soar into prices that reach extraordinary levels. People have paid thousands, tens of thousands, and in the most elite cases, values can be spoken of in terms of $7,000 or even beyond, depending on era varieties and rarity factors. The maximum value is where the dream comes alive. If you are lucky enough to find one in unique condition, especially a rare strike or a coin with minting errors, its worth can climb into millions of dollars. Imagine selling a coin you once thought was ordinary for up to $8,000, a life-changing discovery. Next paragraph. Think about how collectors around the world chase such treasures. Every serious collector of euro coins, every investor of numismatic wealth, knows that the 2002 R mintmark 20 € is not just money. It is art, it is history, and it is fortune compressed into one golden piece. This is why so many people want to buy it. The demand is not only local, it is international. From Europe to America, from Asia to the Middle East, collectors are searching and paying any price to secure such a coin. The story becomes even more powerful when we realize the emotional connection. This coin does not just represent 20 cents. It represents the beginning of a shared European dream. And when history is tied with rarity, the price becomes priceless. Holding on to one is like holding on to a ticket to unlimited financial success. If you have one, you must never spend it as ordinary currency. You must treasure it, guard it, and prepare for the day you sell for a fortune that could set you free for life. The beauty of the Italian design, the proud R mintmark, and the flawless golden tone all add to its unmatched appeal. Numismatics describe it as a coin of destiny, because those who find it feel that destiny has chosen them for greatness. Future potential is even more promising. As years pass, rarity increases. Coins vanish, are lost, or are damaged, but the value of survivors only grows. In the near future, experts expect prices to double, triple, and even touch $10,000 in premium auctions. Imagine the retirement this coin could provide, the wealth it could create, and the empire of dreams it could fund. This is not just a coin. This is a fortune sealed in history. The 2002 R mintmark 20 € coin is a perfect reminder that greatness often hides in simplicity. It could be lying quietly in your pocket, your drawer, or your old collection, waiting to explode into wealth once discovered. So the next time you come across a 20 euro cent coin, do not dismiss it as ordinary. Look closely, search for the R mint mark, and remember that within your hand could be the power of $5,000 or more. Stay inspired, stay alert, and never underestimate the treasures around you. Because sometimes, all it takes is one coin, one discovery, and one moment to transform your life into a story of unimaginable wealth. Next coin, the 2011 European 20 euro cent coin with the R mint mark stands as a shining piece of numismatic history that continues to capture the imagination of collectors worldwide. Struck in Italy at the Rome Mint, the R mint mark symbolizes the country's craftsmanship and dedication to the euro project. Though it appears like a common circulating coin, it has extraordinary qualities that make it one of the most valuable treasures in modern coinage. This coin was issued as part of the Eurozone's uniform monetary system, yet its Italian design elevates it far beyond ordinary change. Italy's 20 euro cent coins feature a depiction of Umberto Boccioni's sculpture, unique forms of continuity in space, an iconic masterpiece of futurism, representing progress, dynamism, and the movement of time. When you hold the 2011 version, you are not only holding currency, but also a direct link to one of the most important artistic revolutions of the 20th century. The 2011 mintage year is extremely significant because it marks a decade of the euro currency's circulation. Collectors see this milestone year as symbolic, as it highlights the strength of the Eurozone, and coins issued during this period have gained heightened attention. The Rome Mint's attention to precision and quality during this anniversary year has resulted in coins that collectors believe will increase dramatically in value over time. At present, the coin can already attract higher than face value offers. In pristine, uncirculated condition, collectors have been willing to pay well above its nominal 20-cent denomination. Online auctions and private coin dealers have already sold a coin for amounts many times higher than face value, with the most pristine and rare variations fetching as much as $500 in today's market. The future potential of this coin cannot be underestimated. As decades pass and fewer examples remain in flawless condition, the value could skyrocket. Experts and passionate collectors forecast that a perfectly preserved 2011, our mintmark coin could one day sell for an astonishing $5,000 or even $8,000 as demand outpaces supply. The key lies in rarity and the growing obsession with euro coinage as the younger generation of collectors emerges. Another fascinating aspect of this coin is its role in commemorating the euro as a unifying force for Europe. When the euro was adopted, it replaced centuries of separate national currencies. Coins like the 2011 Italian 20-cent piece stand as permanent reminders of that revolutionary financial moment. Collectors recognize that significance, and this historical connection magnifies its desirability. The coin's golden color comes from its Nordic gold alloy, a copper-aluminum zinc blend created specifically for euro coins. This unique composition ensures durability and a shining appearance that attracts attention. Over time, coins made of this alloy age beautifully, further enhancing their charm and collectible status. The 2011 20 euro cent, our mint mark, is also valuable because of its limited minting relative to demand. Italy's mint did not strike endless quantities, and many have been lost to circulation. Only a fraction survive in mint condition, and these preserved specimens are already commanding premium prices. For those who inherit or stumble upon this coin in their possession, the potential is life-changing. Imagine pulling a coin from your drawer or an old wallet and discovering that it has the power to bring you tens of thousands of dollars in the near future. Stories like these ignite passion across the collecting community and push the coin into the spotlight of international coin markets. The market value of rare euro coins continues to rise as global collectors shift focus from older historical currencies to modern rarities. This new wave of interest means coins like the 2011 Italian 20 euro cent are poised to surge in price. As demand grows, the maximum value can truly reach unimaginable levels, creating million-dollar opportunities for those lucky enough to own the rarest examples. Already, professional grading services and auction houses are beginning to spotlight these coins, listing them alongside much older numismatic legends. The 2011 our coin has begun to stand out as one of the most talked-about pieces of modern European coinage, signaling its trajectory toward extreme valuations. Collectors love the balance this coin represents. Modern art, national identity, European unity, and scarcity all wrapped into one gleaming 20-cent piece. Its symbolism and backstory create a narrative that is far more powerful than its small denomination would suggest. This narrative fuels its rise in desirability. Another reason for its high potential value lies in the growing culture of hoarding euro coins as investments. People worldwide are beginning to see these coins not as mere currency, but as wealth-building assets. The 2011 20-cent Italian R coin is being held tightly by many, reducing availability in the open market and driving prices upward. Auction records continue to show sharp increases. A decade ago, these coins were barely noticed, but today, they are entering specialized sales and grabbing attention from investors as well as traditional coin collectors. With this trajectory, the ceiling for maximum value remains limitless. The artistic design adds another layer of significance. Boccioni's sculpture is a celebrated piece of Italian heritage, and its depiction on a coin immortalizes it for generations. The more people learn about its cultural weight, the more they desire the coin, amplifying its market appeal. This coin is also being recognized as part of the golden age of euro coin collecting. Coins from the early years of the euro, especially those marking anniversaries, are gaining prestige as milestones of modern European history. This places the 2011 20 euro cent firmly on the path to fortune-making values. Looking ahead, we can confidently say that the coin's maximum value could reach staggering levels. Some collectors believe that if preserved in sealed condition, it might even one day fetch $10,000 at a future auction as global demand for euro coinage explodes. The possibilities are enormous and inspire today's coin enthusiasts to safeguard their holdings. The allure of this coin is not only in its history and artistry, but also in its ability to transform lives. The simple act of finding one in a forgotten jar of change could mean securing a financial future beyond imagination. This sense of possibility keeps the coin at the center of collector conversations. As time moves forward, the story of the 2011 European 20 euro cent coin with the R mintmark will only grow in prestige. It is destined to be remembered not just as a piece of currency, but as a fortune-bearing artifact of our era. The message is clear. If you own this coin, hold on to it tightly. Its maximum value is set to climb higher and higher, and in the world of numismatics, it represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This coin has the power to turn ordinary people into millionaires, and its journey to unimaginable heights has only just begun.